water beetle. This toad. Wow. Frog. This is brown cricket. Yes, you can see bombardier beetle. But it's so beautiful. One more green beetle. Green beetle. More grasshopper. Cockroach. Baby lizard. Lizard. This beetle. Another one beetle. This one also ladybug. But it's different color. Grasshopper. Big grasshopper. Big grasshopper. This mushroom. Mushroom is baby cockroach. And this one is big grasshopper. Wow. Beautiful ladybug. Caterpillar. This caterpillar is red small millipede. This is water beetle. Water beetle. Water beetle. Water beetle. Wow, and this is toad. Toad, it's very big. You can see. Wow, very big this toad. Wow. Wow, and this is one more toad. And this one is small, another one. Toad. Beautiful toad. And this one is frog. 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 Wow. You can see it's so beautiful frog. Frog. And this is brown cricket. This is brown cricket. Yes. Brown cricket. And this one is bombardier beetle. Bombardier beetle. Yes, you can see bombardier beetle. It's so beautiful. And this one is another insect. I don't know this one, but it's so beautiful. Beautiful insect. Now he is sleeping. Yeah. And so beautiful. I don't know what does it called. And this one is cockroach. 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 This is one more cockroach. So you can see it's small cockroach. Yeah. Cockroach. And this one is look like grasshopper. And this is one more green beetle. And this one is ant. Yeah, ant. This one is green beetle. You can see it's so beautiful. Green beetle. Wow, so beautiful. Green beetle. Wow, you can see this is big scorpion. Very big scorpion. And this one is grasshopper. Grasshopper. Small grasshopper. And this one is beetle. Beetle. And this one is beetle. grasshopper. So beautiful. Baby grasshopper. Now he go away. This is one more. This is one more grasshopper. Grasshopper. And this one is cockroach. Cockroach. Yes. Cockroach. Wow, and this one is baby lizard. Baby lizard is sleeping now. Baby lizard. Lizard. Wow. So beautiful. Baby lizard. And this is butterfly. Yes, you can see beautiful butterfly. And this one is cockroach. Small cockroach. Okay, cockroach. And this one is black cricket. Black cricket. Yeah, black cricket. And this one is baby frog. You can see it's so very cute. Very cute. Now he ran away. And this is brown cricket. Brown cricket is brown cricket. Wow, he ran so fast. This is bitter. Another one bitter. Beautiful. Wow, this is ladybug. Ladybug, and this one also ladybug, but it's different color. This one is yellow, this one is red color. Ladybug. Ladybug. So cute. And this one is baby cockroach. You can see baby cockroach. And this one is grasshopper. You can see it's so beautiful. Grasshopper. Grasshopper. Yes. And this one is spider. You can see spider is sleeping now. Spider. Wow. And this one is ant. This one ant. Yeah. And this one is water beetle. Wow, he ran so fast. Water beetle. Water beetle. Wow, and this one is big grasshopper. Big grasshopper. Grasshopper. Wow, very big. And this is one more insect. Wow, this is two cricket. This one is black cricket, and this one is brown cricket. Wow, and this one is mole cricket. Mole cricket. Yeah. more cricket, more cricket, and uh, this one is frog, yeah, frog, and this one is more cricket. Wow, you can see this mushroom. This mushroom is so beautiful. Mushroom, and this one is baby water beetle, and this one is baby cockroach, and this one is baby water beetle, and this one is uh, grasshopper, and this one another insect. Wow, it's so beautiful. And this one is baby butterfly. You can see baby butterfly. Wow, and this one is so beautiful insect. Now he ran away. Wow, you can see this one is very big grasshopper. Wow, big grasshopper. Wow, very big grasshopper. Wow, you can see big grasshopper, so beautiful and so scary. Now he go away. Wow, and this one is so beautiful, ladybug. Wow, now he go away. Ladybug. Wow, and this one is look like grasshopper, but I don't know his name. And you can see. Wow, sorry, I'm sorry. And this one is spider. You can see spider. Yeah, spider. Wow, this one is caterpillar. This caterpillar is eating grasshopper. Caterpillar. Wow, so cute. Caterpillar. Wow, millipede. You can see millipede. Red small millipede. Wow, and this one is Chico. Small Chico. Chico is running. Chico.